Understanding eBay suspensions. Unforeseen eBay account suspensions can be a nightmare for sellers. From account holds to full suspensions, each type serves as a warning sign to address underlying issues promptly. Types of eBay suspensions. Account holds, usually a minor issue like payment problems. Account restrictions reflect poor seller performance, limiting sales. Full suspensions, serious violations can lead to indefinite suspension. Why suspensions happen? eBay suspensions result from rule violations or poor performance. It's crucial to act fast to avoid long-term consequences and potential account closure, affecting linked accounts too. Reactivating your account. eBay usually provides clarity on suspension reasons and necessary actions for reactivation. Understanding the suspension type can guide the next steps towards account rehabilitation. Facing an eBay suspension. Seek expert advice for a personalized appeal and detailed action plan.